Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Understanding and troubleshooting a jammed cranking drive in your vehicle. Is your vehicle's cranking drive jammed and causing you to stress? Whether it's a car, truck or motorcycle, dealing with a jammed cranking drive can be frustrating. In this video, we will explore the common causes of a jammed cranking drive and provide practical solutions to help you address the issue efficiently. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to learn how to troubleshoot and resolve this problem without hassle. Understanding the cranking drive. The cranking drive is a crucial component in your vehicle's system, responsible for initiating the engine's combustion process. It comprises various parts such as the starter motor, flywheel or flex plate, and the starter solenoid. What is the cranking drive? The cranking drive is the mechanism that enables the engine to start. When you turn the key in the ignition, the starter motor engages with the flywheel in manual transmissions or the flex plate in automatic transmissions, causing the engine to turn over and start running. Importance of the cranking drive in the vehicle system. The cranking drive plays a vital role in the overall functioning of your vehicle. Without a properly working cranking drive, your engine may fail to start, leaving you stranded. It ensures the smooth initiation of the engine's combustion process, allowing you to start your vehicle reliably. Any issues with the cranking drive can lead to starting problems and potentially impact the overall performance of your vehicle. Signs of a jammed cranking drive. Unusual noises during ignition. When you try to start your vehicle and hear unexpected noises like grinding, clunking or screeching, it could indicate a problem with the cranking drive. These unusual sounds can be a sign that the cranking drive mechanism is struggling to engage with the engine, causing friction and discomfort during the ignition process. Engine fails to start. If you turn the key in the ignition and the engine fails to start, it might be due to a jammed cranking drive. When the cranking mechanism is unable to turn the engine over, it will prevent the vehicle from starting properly. This can be frustrating and inconvenient, especially in a rush. Grinding or clicking sounds. A jammed cranking drive may produce grinding or clicking sounds when you attempt to start the engine. These noises often indicate that the gears within the cranking drive are not engaging smoothly, potentially leading to further damage if not addressed promptly. Causes of a jammed cranking drive. Low battery voltage. When the battery voltage is low, the starter motor may not receive enough power to turn over the engine effectively. This can result in a sluggish cranking drive or even complete failure to start the engine. It's important to regularly check and maintain the battery's voltage to avoid this issue. Damaged starter motor. A damaged starter motor, often due to wear and tear over time, can lead to a jammed cranking drive. If the starter motor's components are worn out or damaged, it may struggle to engage with the flywheel ring gear, resulting in difficulty starting the vehicle. Faulty ignition switch. The ignition switch plays a crucial role in signaling the starter motor to engage with the flywheel ring gear. A faulty ignition switch can disrupt this process, causing the cranking drive to jam or preventing the vehicle from starting altogether. It's essential to address any issues with the ignition switch promptly to avoid further complications. Worn-out flywheel ring gear. Over time, the flywheel ring gear can become worn out, leading to a jammed cranking drive. If the teeth on the ring gear are damaged or worn, the starter motor may struggle to engage, resulting in difficulties starting the vehicle. Regular maintenance and inspections can help identify and address this issue before it leads to a complete failure of the cranking drive. In summary, a jammed cranking drive can be caused by various factors, including low battery voltage, a damaged starter motor, a faulty ignition switch, and a worn-out flywheel ring gear. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to any warning signs can help prevent these issues and ensure a smooth start for your vehicle. Troubleshooting a jammed cranking drive. Testing the battery. Start by checking the battery to ensure it has enough power to start the vehicle. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts. The battery may need recharging or replacing if the voltage is significantly lower. Additionally, inspect the battery terminals for corrosion and ensure they are securely connected to the battery posts. Checking the starter motor. Next, examine the starter motor. Listen for any clicking or grinding noises when attempting to start the vehicle, as this could indicate a faulty starter motor. Additionally, inspect the electrical connections at the starter motor to ensure they are clean and secured. If the starter motor fails to engage, it may need to be replaced. Inspecting the ignition switch. The ignition switch plays a crucial role in the starting process. Check if the dashboard lights and accessories power up when the ignition is turned on. If not, the issue could be with the ignition switch or its electrical connections. A faulty ignition switch can prevent the starter motor from receiving power, leading to a jammed cranking drive. Examining the flywheel ring gear. Lastly, inspect the flywheel ring gear for any signs of damage or wear. A worn or damaged ring gear can prevent the starter motor from engaging with the flywheel, causing the cranking drive to jam. Look for missing teeth, warping, or any other abnormalities on the ring gear. If issues are found, the flywheel may need to be replaced. By systematically examining the battery, starter motor, ignition switch, and flywheel ring gear, you can troubleshoot and identify the cause of a jammed cranking drive, allowing for prompt and effective repairs. Repairing a jammed cranking drive. Replacing the battery. The first step in addressing a jammed cranking drive is to inspect and potentially replace the vehicle's battery. A worn-out or faulty battery can result in insufficient power to engage the starter motor, leading to the cranking drive getting jammed. Start by checking the battery's connections, ensuring they are secure and free from corrosion. If the battery is old or shows signs of deterioration, consider replacing it with a new, high-quality battery that meets the vehicle's specifications. Repairing or replacing the starter motor. If the battery is in good condition, the next area to inspect is the starter motor. A malfunctioning or worn-out starter motor can lead to issues with the cranking drive. Start by checking for any unusual sounds or grinding noises when attempting to start the vehicle. If such symptoms are present, it may be necessary to repair or replace the starter motor to restore proper functionality to the cranking drive. Addressing issues with the ignition switch. Another potential culprit for a jammed cranking drive is the vehicle's ignition switch. Problems with the ignition switch can prevent the starter motor from receiving the necessary signal to engage, leading to a jammed cranking drive. Inspect the ignition switch for any signs of wear, damage, or electrical issues. If necessary, repair or replace the ignition switch to resolve any potential issues affecting the cranking drive. Repairing or replacing the flywheel ring gear. A malfunctioning flywheel ring gear can also contribute to a jammed cranking drive. Inspect the flywheel ring gear for any signs of damage, wear, or misalignment. If issues are detected, it may be necessary to repair or replace the flywheel ring gear to ensure smooth engagement of the starter motor and proper functioning of the cranking drive. Seeking professional assistance. If troubleshooting and addressing the aforementioned areas do not resolve the issue with the jammed cranking drive, it's advisable to seek professional assistance from a certified automotive technician. Professional mechanics have the expertise and diagnostic tools to identify and address more complex issues with the cranking drive, ensuring that the vehicle is restored to proper working condition. In closing, if your vehicle's cranking drive is jammed, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to avoid further damage to the engine. Whether it's a faulty starter motor or a problem with the flywheel, seeking professional assistance is key to resolving the issue effectively. Ignoring the problem can lead to more extensive and costly repairs down the line. By taking proactive steps to diagnose and fix the jammed cranking drive, you can ensure the continued reliability and performance of your vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.